what happened to Earth 2, implying that astronomers found a pristine copy of our planet, only for space agencies to keep it a secret. The truth is much colder. A perfect twin of our planet has never been confirmed, and there is no missing interstellar paradise hidden from the public. The rumor traces back to a real announcement made inside this building in July 2015. NASA confirmed the discovery of an exoplanet 1,400 light-years away, named Kepler 452b. In the global media frenzy that followed, communicators famously dubbed it Earth's older, bigger cousin and Earth 2.0. Kepler 452b simply drifted out of the headlines as the public's attention moved on. The resulting information gap allowed rumors to take root, filling a void created by the nuanced technicalities of the original discovery. The mystery of Earth 2 reveals a massive blind spot in how we consume scientific breakthroughs. It is a prime example of the dangerous gap between the specific metrics scientists measure and the hopeful narratives we invent to explain them. When astronomers first cataloged Kepler 452b, the raw numbers were striking. The exoplanet orbits a G2-type star, the same classification as our own sun, and it completes a single circuit every 385 days. But its location is what catapulted it onto global front pages. This diagram plots the exoplanet right inside its star system's habitable zone, the orbital belt frequently referred to as the Goldilocks zone. That label is widely misunderstood. It is a strict mathematical calculation of stellar energy. It only defines the distance from a star where the ambient temperature allows liquid water to theoretically exist. It says nothing about whether the planet actually has water, air, or a solid surface. The term Earth-like suffers from the same translation gap. In astronomy, this is a structural classification, meaning a world is relatively small and likely rocky. It is a description of planetary architecture, not a promise of a breathable atmosphere. A dry, barren rock in a moderately warm orbit fits the scientific criteria for a habitable world perfectly, even if its surface is a toxic wasteland. Physical reality suggests Kepler 452b is exactly that. Because its radius is 60% larger than our planet, it is a super-Earth. If it has a rocky composition, that massive size generates twice the surface gravity of Earth. An explorer standing there would instantly weigh twice as much, placing immense stress on their heart and skeletal system. That extra mass also likely drives extreme volcanic activity, spewing out a thick, heavy atmospheric blanket that seals the surface under crushing pressure. This assumes there is a solid surface to stand on. This scale shows planetary sizes, and Kepler 452b sits exactly on a demographic boundary known as the radius gap. At this size, it could easily be a mini Neptune. Even a tiny fraction of hydrogen and helium in its bulk composition would balloon into an atmosphere of superheated